Coming up in primetime news, things slowly returning to normal in Spanish Town following tense 48 hours.
Residents renting houses warned to be on alert for migrating gangsters from Spanish Town.
And a 12-year-old killed in daring daylight gun attack on him and loved ones. Good evening and welcome to primetime news. A special welcome if you're watching on TVJ International, that's in the Cayman Islands. I'm Giovanni Dennis.
And I'm Janella Precious. A special welcome also to our viewers online at TVJ News Center. Now, coming up later, we'll have the latest in the financial week, but Spencer Darlington is also here with a preview of what's to come in sports.
Thank you very much, Janella. Well, the West Indies will be looking to level their two-test series against Pakistan. The final game gets underway tonight, Jamaica time. We'll tell you more in primetime sports later.
There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast, but before the break, here's a preview of what's to come in the weather.
Thanks, Giovanni. Now, we do have a wetter than normal, at least wetter than the past few days. Over the next few days, on this weekend, especially across sections of northern parishes, that's tomorrow. But on Sunday, we do have some shower activity that is expected to affect sections of southern parishes.
All right, so time now for our feedback question. And this evening, we are asking,
what do you make of the reported increase in heart disease cases in Jamaica?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and tweet us at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.